Sepsis is a serious medical condition. It occurs when the body's response to an infection goes into overdrive. This overreaction triggers a chain reaction that can damage multiple organs. In severe cases, sepsis can even lead to death. Understanding the dangers of sepsis and seeking prompt medical attention are crucial for improving outcomes and saving lives. The immune system is our body's natural defense against infections. When bacteria, viruses, or other pathogens enter our bodies, the immune system launches an attack. This response involves specialized cells and chemicals that work together to eliminate the threat and protect us from harm. However, in sepsis, this normally protective immune response becomes dysregulated and excessive. Instead of just targeting the infection, the immune system starts attacking healthy tissues and organs as well. This widespread inflammation can have devastating consequences throughout the body. Sepsis is a time-sensitive condition, and early recognition and treatment are vital. If you or someone you know experiences symptoms like fever, rapid heart rate, confusion, or difficulty breathing, seek immediate medical attention. When our body detects an infection, it releases signaling molecules called cytokines. Cytokines act as messengers, alerting and recruiting immune cells to the site of infection to fight off the invading pathogens. In sepsis, the production of these cytokines spirals out of control. This excessive release, known as a cytokine storm, leads to widespread inflammation throughout the body. While inflammation is a natural part of the immune response, in sepsis it becomes detrimental. This overwhelming inflammation affects the normal functioning of organs. The excessive dilation of blood vessels leads to a drop in blood pressure, making it difficult for the heart to pump blood effectively. This can further compromise blood flow to vital organs. Understanding the role of cytokines and the inflammatory cascade in sepsis is crucial for developing targeted therapies. Researchers are actively investigating ways to modulate the immune response and dampen the cytokine storm, aiming to prevent the progression to severe sepsis and septic shock. The inner lining of our blood vessels is made up of specialized cells called endothelial cells. These cells play a crucial role in maintaining blood flow and preventing blood clots. However, in sepsis, the intense inflammatory response damages these endothelial cells. As endothelial cells become injured, they become leaky. This leakiness allows fluid from the blood vessels to seep into surrounding tissues, leading to swelling and edema. Additionally, the damaged endothelial cells trigger the activation of platelets, which are essential for blood clotting. This activation of platelets, while normally beneficial for stopping bleeding, becomes excessive in sepsis. It leads to the formation of small blood clots within the blood vessels, obstructing blood flow and further compromising oxygen delivery to organs. Section 4. Blood clots and bleeding, a dangerous paradox. One of the serious complications of sepsis is disseminated intravascular coagulation, or DIC. In DIC, the body's clotting mechanisms are disrupted, leading to a paradoxical situation. Blood clots form abnormally throughout the body, while at the same time, excessive bleeding can occur. The widespread inflammation in sepsis activates clotting factors in the blood, leading to the formation of small blood clots in blood vessels throughout the body. These clots obstruct blood flow, depriving organs and tissues of vital oxygen and nutrients. This blockage can lead to organ damage and failure. Paradoxically, as clotting factors are consumed in this widespread clotting process, the body's ability to clot normally is impaired. This can lead to excessive bleeding, even from minor injuries. DIC is a life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical intervention. Section 5. Starved for oxygen organ failure in sepsis. As sepsis progresses, the combination of low blood pressure, reduced blood flow, and tiny blood clots obstructing capillaries leads to a critical reduction in oxygen delivery to organs throughout the body. This lack of oxygen, known as hypoxia, is a major cause of organ dysfunction and failure in sepsis. Different organs have varying sensitivities to oxygen deprivation. The brain, heart, and kidneys are particularly vulnerable to damage from even short periods of hypoxia. As oxygen levels dwindle, cells within these organs begin to malfunction and eventually die. This organ dysfunction can manifest in a multitude of ways. Kidney failure leads to the buildup of waste products in the blood. Liver failure impairs the body's ability to filter toxins and produce essential clotting factors. Lung failure makes it difficult to breathe and obtain enough oxygen. Heart failure compromises the heart's ability to pump blood effectively.